What? What? Can you tell Mama? Really? What else? What? And then what happened? Then what happened? Hello? Am I boring you? A little bit? Hi, Jonah. Can you go? What? Jonah, can you go? You're trying. Oh, really? Can you do it better? Good job. Want to try one more time? Can you say? Good job, Jonah. What? Then what happened? You just wanted to go. Oh, okay. We're done. Say, see you later, everybody. Say bye.